Hello friends, this is Zahid Ali and you are watching Zahid Ali Reacts. Today I am going to show you the unboxing of iPhone XS Max. So let's start. So here we go. First of all, I will put the wrap from the case. Now I will unbox the iPhone XS. Look at this. We get some catalogs, we get some guidelines for the phone. It's good. Now here it is. You will see I purchased this gem for around 68,900 rupees in Indian rupees. Now I am going to show you the accessories of this phone. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to show you the charger. It is wireless charger. It is so good. Yes. Now what we get the earpods for the phone. It is mesmerizing. It is very good. Now it is USB cable. Okay. Now look at this. Look at the body. It is slime. It is pure slime type of body. I purchased this in black color because I love black. And it is so mesmerizing. Guys, the phone has 64 GB of storage. It accepts nano sims as well as eSIMs. It has around 12 megapixel of camera with an 1.8 aperture, and you will see it has 6.50 inches of touch screen. It is so mesmerizing. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.